Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine. So far, we have learned about nouns, that is, the first category of the 8 parts of speech. We have learned nouns. What are they? They are naming words. Then its kinds. They are common and proper nouns, collective nouns, concrete and abstract nouns, compound nouns, singular and plural nouns, countable and uncountable nouns, gender. They are masculine, feminine, common and neuter, and possessive nouns. Then students, secondly, we have learnt about sentences. What is a sentence? A group of words having complete sense. Sentence having its 2 parts. What are they? Subject and predicate. Then its kinds, that also we have learnt. Assertive, interrogative, exclamatory, imperative, positive and negative. Now today we are going to learn about one more category of parts of speech, that is adjective. Dear children, before starting, let's do some activities. Activity first, describing a day. Now students, just take a look outside and see how the weather is today. We can say like this: today the weather is bright, sunny, breezy, cloudless, hot, etc. So what are the words? Bright, sunny, breezy, cloudless, hot, etc. So these words through which I am describing the day are adjectives. Now this is the second activity, students. We have to circle the adjectives in this paragraph. Let us read it first. A fluffy dog went for a long walk with his best friend, the Siamese cat. They went down the main street through the town park to the sandy beach and onto the old dock where they smelled rotten fish. They could see the blue water, feel the cold wind and smell the greasy food cooking in the boardwalk restaurants. So, in this paragraph, this red color words are describing words and they are called as adjectives. See, fluffy, long, best, Sammy's, town, main, sandy, old, rotten, blue, cold, greasy, boardwalk. One more paragraph is given in your grammar book. You can practice it. Now one task I am giving you, students. Do it yourself. You have to describe your best friend. So, till now students, what we have understood? An adjective describes or gives more information about a noun. We can also say an adjective modifies a noun. Let's be more clear with some examples. See, ball. Now, children, ball, we can describe this ball in so many ways, like round ball, small ball, red ball, old ball. Cup. We can also describe cup in this so many ways. Big cup, white cup, new cup, round cup. Now students, let's see what are the kinds of adjectives. Adjectives are of several kinds. These are adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective and possessive adjective. Before dealing with the types in details, let us know one important thing. Adjectives usually come before the nouns they describe, but they can also come after the nouns. Look at this example. This is a happy boy. Here, the adjective happy is coming before the noun. The boy is happy. Here, the adjective is coming after the noun. So, let's see the first type, adjective of quality. It refers to the kind or quality of something like the shape, size, color, or some special quality of the noun. See examples. Lisa is wearing a beautiful dress. Now students, how is the dress? Beautiful. A huge car stopped outside my house. How is the car? Huge. Here, beautiful and huge describes the quality of the nouns dress and car respectively. Now next is adjective of quantity. It tells us how much of something there is. They are used with uncountable nouns. Now see these words. Some, any, little, much, enough, sufficient, etc. These are examples of adjective of quantity. Now let's see some sentences. I ate some rice today. How much rice? Some rice. There is little food in the fridge. How much food? Little food. So these are examples of adjective of quantity. Now students, third type is adjective of number. What is it? It tells us how many persons, animals or things are there. These refer to definite amount of things. Definite means you know specific. They are used with countable nouns. This also you know. What are countable nouns? Things which we can count. These are numbers and amounts both in cardinal and ordinal numbers. Like these words. See? 1, 1000, fifth, first, etc. Now one more thing children to note it down. Words like several, many and few can also be considered as adjective of number. Now fourth is demonstrative adjective. These are the words which point to and indicate a specific person, place, animal or thing. Now these are the words here. What are demonstrative adjective? This, that, these, those. Now let us see in the given sentences here. Give me that blue water bottle. I am pointing towards one blue water bottle, a specific water bottle. That. So this word is demonstrative adjective. These mangoes are very sweet. I am talking about some particular mangoes. So I am pointing towards those mangoes. These mangoes are very sweet. So these are the demonstrative adjective. Number 5th is possessive adjective. The words which show that to whom something belongs to or the relationship between two nouns, they are called as possessive adjectives. You will be more clear by seeing these examples. My, our, your, his, their, her, its, etc. Now see the sentences. My computer is not working. My is possessive adjective. Our father told us not to quarrel with anyone. What is the possessive adjective here? Yes, our. So these two words, my, our, is possessive adjective. Now 6th is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions. These are question words like which, what, where, whose. See the sentences here. Which pen do you like more? Question word is which. So this is interrogative adjective. Whose bag is this? Whose. The word whose, it is question word. This is interrogative adjective. So, dear children, hope you have understood what are adjectives. Now see what we have learned today. Adjective, they are the describing words and we have learned its types also. Let's see what are they. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective and interrogative adjectives. Now go through the exercises given in your book and read the examples also. Take good care of yourself.